In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a back-to-back stem and leaf graph. If you watched my last video, you'd know that a stem and leaf graph shows a way to arrange data and organize it so that you can then do something else with it. Here what you have are 20 heights of members of my first hour in inches. The blue values represent the males in the class and how tall they are in inches, and the red values represent females in the class and represent how tall they are in inches. So what I can do with a double stem and leaf graph, or what's oftentimes referred to as a back-to-back stem and leaf graph, is I can then put one set of stems but leaves on both sides. So over here we might do males, and over here we might do females. And our stems, as I look at the values, the lowest one we have is in the 50s, the highest one we have is in the 70s, so we can do 7, 6, and 5. Let's just handle the men only right now. So if I look at the values of the men, there's only one in the 50s, 56. I can cross him out. In the 60s, there's a 60 and a 61. Again, you go lowest to highest, you'll remember from the previous video. 66, 67, 68, so 66, 67, 68. And then there are 3 in the 70s, a 70, a 72, and a 74. Now for the females, it works the exact same way. We're just going to write them to the left. So there are 2 in the 50s, there's a 54 and a 55, so we'll cross those two ladies out, 54, 55. In the 60s, we have lots of them. The lowest we have is 62, and then 2 63s. So 62, and then 2 63s. I keep looking. I've got a 66, a 66, a 67, and a 68. A 66, a 66, a 67, and a 68, and a 69. And I missed a 59, and luckily I don't have to erase anything. I can just put it at the end there because it's the largest one in the 50s. And so in this class of 20, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 men. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 men. In the class, there means there were 11 females. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's see if I have all of them. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Perfect. So now the benefits here are that if I wanted to do a whole class, I can do the whole class data. I have it all. But if I wanted to do separate men and women and then calculate their means separately or their mode separately or their median separately or what have you, I can then look at the data differently based on some sort of deciding factor. So this is called a back-to-back stem and leaf graph. It's just combining 2 stem and leaf graphs with 1 stem in the middle and leaves on both sides.